helped millions of investors make profitable trades in the market. Their daily advice will help you make the right trading calls. India's top technical analysts appear only on ET Now, India's #1 stock market channel.
Okay, you go first. Your index strategy for the day.
Well, the Nifty has been up and running quite strongly. So, low-risk entries here are a little difficult to come by. If you have not already gone long, then it will be a little difficult. It's difficult in the sense that your risk is greater, not that you'll not be able to buy it or something. It's currently trading at about 47.80. I do believe that there is a scope till about 48.60 or 48.40 to 48.60. So I will be more comfortable buying it at lower levels, no doubt. But that does not mean that the market will afford me the luxury of being able to buy it lower. If it does, then I would be inclined to go long in the Nifty anywhere in the region of about 47.25 to 47.40 and protect that with a stop loss slightly below 4700. Look for a target around 48.30 to 48.60. That is the trade on the futures. As far as the options go, we had a short strangle of 45 and 4900, which we initiated at about a cost inflow of about 105. It's trading currently at about 93 rupees. What I would suggest here is to close out the 4500 put and sort of replace that with a 4600 put. So we'll still have our strangle, but we will end up booking about roughly around 25 to 30 rupees as profit. So that adds to your total income. We had sold the 4500 put around 68 rupees. We'll replace that with a 4600 put, which is close to 60 rupees. So I think that will be a way to go with the strangle. We are not really looking to exit out of the strangle for the moment right now.